Yo, what's up guys? It's Mystic and we're back with another one. And first off, I just want to thank you guys because if you look at your screen, we actually just hit 3,750 subscribers. The growth has been insane and I appreciate every single one of you guys for real. But anyway, today I'm going to give you guys the 5 essential utility apps that I use for my Fire Stick to keep it running at its peak performance. And these are 100% official, safe, and available in the Amazon App Store. So if you've been feeling that lag lately, these are the fixes you need. So let's dive right into it. Alright guys, so the first one we have is actually called Background Apps and Process List. So I'm gonna just say it into Alexa so that it will get there quickly, but this is what the app looks like and this is exactly how it will look like on the official app store for Amazon. But just so you guys know, if your Fire Stick feels sluggish because you have 10 different apps open in the background, it's because these apps are actually eating up your RAM. And if you didn't know, when you press the home button, it doesn't actually close the app. So this force stop that I'm using with this app right here, it instantly goes to each app individually so I can force stop it. I can even clear the data and I can even clear the cache. And it's super simple and it automatically goes to each one. So this one is one of the most essential ones, I would say, definitely. But let's go ahead and get into this next one. Alright guys, so for this next one we got Analiti, which this one is hands down the best tool for diagnosing buffering. So this is exactly what you would type in to search, and then on the official Amazon App Store right here you see we have Analiti, speed, and Wi-Fi. So this is what it will look like, and as you can see, as soon as I open this app up, it instantly starts doing a speed test. Now I might have a little bit lower internet speeds right now because I am connected to a VPN, but of course, you know, that's the trade-off when you want your own privacy over a little bit of internet speed. But this is analyzing everything from the buffering all the way down to, I can also see the devices connected to my network. So if you have like devices that's eating up, you know, some of your bandwidth and you don't know what it is, you can use this app to actually see all the things that are connected to your own Wi-Fi. And that way you can also figure out why your Fire Stick is, you know, lagging. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the next one. Alright, so for this next app, we actually have Downloader, which you might have already seen this app or heard of it before, and that's because this is one of the most popular apps in the Amazon App Store. Now, when you actually go to this app, you'll see why. So with this app, I actually use it for more than just side loading. It's also the fastest way to access tech blogs like the AFTV news or check official documentation. So I'm gonna go directly to the website, but if you didn't know, these are the creators of the app itself, and they actually have how-to guides and everything on their own personal website. And then also you can go to the file section, and that's where you can delete those big installation files as soon as you're done with them, so you can keep your Fire Stick data free and, you know, fast. Now let's get to this next one, which is our app number 4, which is Defsquid. Now this is my go-to for system maintenance, and this is exactly what it looks like on the official Amazon App Store. But for this app, I run it at least once a week to do the deep clean feature, because what it does, it scans for junk files, cache buildup, and even checks your system health. So at the beginning, of course, it's going to ask for access to your files, and that's because it wants to make sure, you know, it's deleting all the things that aren't necessary or anything, you know, that you don't actually need. So right here, it'll ask, do you want to delete? I just say yes, and look, it is now going to deep clean my device and get rid of all those files that I don't even need anymore or don't even know I have. And it's officially in the store, and it's one of the most satisfying apps to run because you can see exactly how much junk you cleared up. But anyway, let's get to our last app. And finally, we have the developer tools menu. Now, forget the secret remote shortcuts because they seem to never work with these new updates, and there usually is a shortcut you could do to get to this menu, but you can actually just get it from the official store. So that's what I'm doing right now. So with this app, you can see immediately I could do things like turn on the system X-ray, and I could see the CPU and RAM usage in real time. So this is your spot, you know, if an app is poorly optimized or if your system is overheating. It's the ultimate pro move to see exactly what's happening under the hood, just like a computer. So you see I'm on the home screen and I can still see exactly what's going on with my system right now. And that is actually pretty cool on its own. And there you have it. So those are 5 apps to keep your setup clean and fast. And if this helped you out, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, I am going to be live testing the GeForce Now over on my gaming channel, Mystic Gamer, so please make sure you're subbed up so you don't want to miss that. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.